What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at a very simple restoration item for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs, and that is the accelerator pedal. A common headache amongst SN95 and New Edge Mustangs is a broken accelerator pedal. This is a very simple part and it's pretty easy to install considering its location. This replacement pedal features black plastic construction and incorporates the same texture and vertical lines as the original. It was even designed and manufactured from Ford blueprints to ensure an exact fitment. Along with the pedal, you'll get a new pin and E-clip retainer, which I personally like a lot more than the factory design. As far as fitment goes, it's going to fit all 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. Now to install this pedal, locate the throttle cable bushing at the top of the pedal assembly. Carefully pry this out of the assembly and then pass the cable through the opening. Loosen and remove the two 13mm nuts, securing the pedal assembly to the firewall. Bring the assembly forward and then remove it from the car. In order to remove the factory pin, use a small drift-in hammer to drive it out. Now you can remove the old pedal. Align the new pedal and then slide the new pin through the openings. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to install the E-clip retainer. Reinstall the pedal assembly and then retighten the nuts. Pass the cable back through the opening and reinsert the plastic bushing. After that, you're good to go. All in all here guys, this is about as easy as it can get, especially considering the location. This accelerator pedal is a must-have for anyone needing to replace a damaged or broken pedal. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and of course, SVT Life.